Your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff. Certified most accurate by Weather Rate.
It was a windy day today, no doubt about that. Wind gusts over 30 miles per hour at times. This is our WeatherBug Network camera from Bentonville. Not only is it greening up outside, look at the leaves on the trees. We're in the middle of April. Temperatures are warm too, in the upper 70s to lower 80s. So we'll continue to have pretty high temperatures. We'll also continue to have a lot of pollen too in the air. I mean, I just washed my car. I bet you it doesn't even look like it was washed by tomorrow. Look at the tree pollen at 981. Oak is one of those predominant tree pollens that are in the air. Mold spores are high as well. These counts came in from last Friday, April 10th. And the way it works is every 3 days. So you got Monday, Wednesday, Friday. They gather all the information from the week before, and they literally count the amount particles per cubic meter. And then that gives us basically the amount in the pollen. So it's actually a reporting station in Rogers. And speaking of Rogers and Bentonville, you had wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. There's the current winds. They're not as strong, but they're still a little breezy. Now, we got some severe weather headlines, but here is the key point of the forecast. Most of the significant storms and severe weather activity will remain to the west, but that doesn't mean that we don't have rain and storm chances. Mostly, those are during the overnight hours. It makes sense, right? Storms develop in Oklahoma during the day. They weaken somewhat as they make their way east, but we do have severe potential with any of these storms, and the strongest storms look to be late Friday night. We'll highlight all this, but why is this storm system so slow? Well, it's called a positively tilted trough. It's also a cutoff low, and so we're just going to have this churning of this giant system off to the west, and there's southwesterly flow, so you know it's going to be active. But in order to get storms even close to us, you got to have a dry line that's a little bit closer as well. Notice how the flow is parallel to the dry line, so a lot of storms will be popping up, and they will remain to our west. So here's the severe weather risk throughout the rest of today and into tomorrow morning. The severe weather risk for tomorrow into Wednesday morning just barely clips our eastern weather coverage area. Notice most of the storms are to the west, and then a repeat performance on Wednesday with those storms remaining west. So that's the deal with this week. A lot of storms west. They'll make it in during the overnight hours. Timing is a little bit uncertain with this, but it looks like Wednesday morning into Thursday morning is the risk that's valid for that area. But you'll notice most of the storms will be Wednesday night and into Thursday morning. Now, there's going to be a lot of instability. That's the fuel for thunderstorms to develop. But most of those storms will crank up off to the west. You can see 7 o'clock, quiet throughout most of the day, if not the entire day. And then by Wednesday morning, so tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we'll see our first round of most likely some potential rain. Other than that, not a whole lot over the next several hours. So here's that forecast, maybe a slight chance of a shower on Tuesday, but Wednesday, yeah, a little bit of rain and storm chances. Could see a severe storm, and all hazards will be possible with this system. Now we go beyond Wednesday, and you got more storms that are rolling in Wednesday evening, perhaps an isolated storm in the River Valley, but clearly most of the activity will be late Wednesday night and into early Thursday morning. So that's the next round of storms that we see Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We could see additional shower and storm activity Thursday, late morning into the afternoon. But then it looks like most of the storms will be developing on Friday, and especially off to the northwest of us. But there's a lot of details that have to be ironed out with this. But you can see the amount of storms to the west once again, Friday night and into Saturday morning. They'll start moving into our weather coverage area. How much rain are we expecting? More than Sunday, that's for sure. Sunday didn't provide a whole lot of rain across the area. There was definitely some spotty showers here and there, but we're looking at 1 to 2 inches with some localized higher amounts. So for tonight, upper 60s, very mild, breezy. The winds aren't dropping off at all. We got lower to middle 80s tomorrow, partly cloudy, warm, evening thunderstorms. Let's look at that 7-day forecast, and you guessed it, storm potential there, including some severe weather. It does clip our western weather coverage area. Thursday, we have the rain potential in the morning. Friday, we've got quiet most of the day, but then Friday evening into Saturday morning, we've got storms. I think that storm activity, like we mentioned, will be Friday overnight into Saturday morning. So it cools off a little bit, too, by the end of the weekend. Now, this time, Sunday looks like the better day for the weekend. Saturday will still be raining, but most of that will be out of here in the early morning hours. And for that Jackrabbit 5K in northwest Arkansas, actually looking not too bad in terms of the storm activity. Of course, the storm could slow down. We'll keep you updated. We'll have more KNWA News at 5 after the break.